Hi, in this video we'll be looking at how to debug a program in C#. So when I say debug a program, it means how do we find some trouble. If you're having trouble with the logic, how do you find out about it? If you want to know, what is going on behind the scenes, under the hood, then you use debugging. So normally when you run the program, all the steps get executed in one go. So when you use debugging, all you're doing is adding some breakpoints, which are going to be like speed bumps. That stops the program right there. So you can do some, snooping around. You can like examine one of your variables, and you can also see how the program flows. So that is the whole idea of debugging. And I am going to be using the week 3 exercise 1 solution that we created earlier that had the if conditions and all that. And I'm going to show you how to debug a program. So this is our program. I am in the program.cs. So let us say that this is the particular line where I want to stop the program from going further. So all we do is, this is line 27. Keep going till you hit this gray area and click there. That would put a breakpoint. The red circle should be a full red filled circle, and that is called as a breakpoint. Then let's do one on line 29. Then one on line 33. So now what we have to do is run the program like normal. This is the program where we are giving a score for a student, and then it is getting converted to either a pass or a fail. I'm going to show you 3 scenarios. These are called as boundary conditions. So we are going to pick a grade that is greater than 70, one that's less than 70, and then one that's equal to 70 to see how the program flows. My program is just getting started. I'm seeing the console window with that first line. It is waiting for my input. So let me give the input of 89, which is greater than 70. Enter. Now see what happens. The program did not just say pass or fail. It is waiting for me to check these values, to see what's going on with these values, to see where the program would go next. So that is what it is trying to do. So let's say continue. So it automatically goes to the line I want it to go. So let's say continue, and then it said pass, and we are good. Let's try the second data. We will enter a value that is less than 70. Program is waiting for me here. Let me say continue. It should go to line 33. So it's going to tell me fail, and then waiting for my keystroke. Okay, let's do the one more time. I'm not sure what this is. Okay, so now equal to 70. Let's see what happens then. So this should go to line 29. Let's make sure it goes to line 29. It did. And then we are good to go. So usually when you hover over your variables, it will give you information about that variable. Let's do this one more time. So you can go to the debug, and then you can say quick watch. So when you say quick watch, you can add anything here. So you can say score. What is the value of score? That's our variable. It tells me score is 56 and it is of the type int. So there are options here that we will look into as we go with our as we continue to like explore other programs. But I think these are like really good tools to have in your hand. We will see more about debugging as the class gets complicated. So always make sure that you click on continue and then let the program run through and then end it. Hope this helps.